I am Annie, and this is a meditation for Heal With You, part of the Vagal Healing Workshop. Begin by gently closing the eyes and finding your breath. Allowing the mind and the body a moment to adjust into relaxation. Setting an intention to set this time aside for you, simply observing the breath as you do, breathing in and breathing out. With this focus on your breath, take a moment to observe it further, witnessing it as it flows in and back out of your body. Noticing how the air feels cool as it enters your body and warm as it passes back out. How the breath animates your chest, then the belly, with each breath cycle. Witnessing the body rise and fall. As you breathe in and breathe out. With your next breath cycle, take a moment to notice how the breath has introduced relaxation into your body. And with this attention and focus to relaxation, begin to notice any areas that still hold any tension. Letting your breath flow into these areas with each breath cycle. Using this focus and thought flow to send ease and release to these areas of your body. Breathing in and breathing out. Take a moment to bring your focus to the back of your head, simply bringing your inner gaze to the base of your skull, knowing this is the area where the vagus nerve begins. And tuning into this area of the body through visualization. Allowing the breath to flow into the base of the skull, connecting with this part of your body as you breathe in and breathe out. Allow your breath to flow from the base of the skull into the area of the throat and neck. Feeling the breath follow your thought flow as you do, following along the vagal path. Breathing into the base of the skull and down into the neck and throat. Gently breathing into this thought flow as you breathe in and breathe out. Bring your inner gaze into the chest, following the path of the vagus nerve with your breath and visualization as you do. Breathing from the base of the skull down into the throat and neck and into the chest and the area of your heart. Starting to see how the vagus nerve branches out, healing from its main path, helping to soothe and ease the organs and bodily functions that it connects to. Connecting this visualization to the breath as you breathe in and breathe out. Allow your focus to flow into the area of the stomach, following along the vagus nerve path with your mind as you do. Bringing your breath and inner gaze to the base of the skull, down into the neck and throat, through the heart and chest, and into the gut. Feeling how the vagus nerve works to create a place of ease and relaxation. Connecting you to the parasympathetic state of rest and digest, helping you to connect with this state to return to ease after any time of high stress, knowing that with this consistent connection, you will be able to strengthen this connection, just like you would with a muscle. You allow the mind to return to a state of rest and digest, easier and easier each time. Take a moment now to sit with this connection, knowing within this state of relaxation, your bodily systems are able to function in their most optimal way, thanking your body for its ability to function during times of stress, and thanking it for helping you to return to the state of ease as well. Take a moment to sit with your breath and your body for one last long breath cycle. As you take a long, deep breath in and a long, deep breath out, maybe releasing a long sigh as you breathe out, and allowing this deep breath to help you come back into the present moment. Taking the time to gently open the eyes, if you haven't already, and bring gentle movement back into the hands and feet. If comfortable, take a moment to stretch the arms above and allow yourself to adjust back to the present moment.